So here in this video today, I'm going to show you how to replace the tips on the glitter 811H spot welder and replace them with the new ones that are supplied. So let's get on with it and I'll show you how to do it. Don't forget to like the video, guys, and subscribe. You never know, you might like the things that are coming to the channel. I really do appreciate all your comments and likes and subscribes. It really means the world to me. So yeah, thank you. I can't see anything online about how to change these, but it's pretty straightforward on how to do this. I'm going to show you in this video. So what you're going to need is a little blow lamp, a little blowtorch. This is my wife's for her modelling things that she does. So I just thought I'd mention this is in real time and this is how I did it. Just make sure that you tilt your lance towards like a 90-degree angle so the heat doesn't go down the handle towards your hand. I found that that's a better way of reducing the heat. So you're going to want to keep this on the heat for about 1:30, something like that, just until that solder melts inside the handle, and then you can retrieve the used tip. Then you're going to want to get your pliers. Don't pull it at this stage. Don't, just give it a light pull until you feel that give on the solder, and then your nib should pop out just like this. And it's really as easy as that. And then you get your new end, replace it in the nozzle, get your pliers, just lightly heat it, add a bit of pressure with the pliers, hold the pressure on, and then that should slide in nicely. Just make sure that's in there nice and firm. If you want to compare the tip sizes to your previous ones, and then you can get a rough idea of how deep they are in the nozzle head. And that's it really. And that, guys, is how you replace the tips on the glitter 811H. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Put some comments in the comment section, and yeah, do all the good stuff for me. Really appreciate it. Oh, and if you haven't checked out my other videos, go and check out my other videos up there. See you later.